السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الحمد لله والسلام على رسول الله. We're back. Today is a story from the stories of those pious and righteous people of the past. A man by the name of Ebu Bekru al-Miski. He had something extraordinary about him, and it was his fragrance, the smell that uttered from his body. And a time came where some of his friends and some of his companions around him asked him, "Ya Ebu Bekru, what is this smell coming from you?" And he said, "By Allah, Wallahi, for years now I have never used perfume." And he said, "This smell is due to one occurrence that happened one time. And I was tricked into a house by a woman, and she wanted to seduce me, to lure me into illegal sexual intercourse. And when I was there, I got into the house, she locked the door behind me, and I realized what it was about. So I wanted to figure out a way of getting out. So I said to her, I need to go and purify myself. So she sent for her servant to come, and she told him, take this man to the bathroom, let him purify himself. So he went, and by Allah he did a magnificent action. Some of you may laugh, some of you may cry. He went into the bathroom, and he took his feces, his excrement, and he wiped it on his body. He wiped it all over his body, and he went out to the woman. And as I would be, and as you would be, she was shocked and disgusted, and she ordered him to leave the house. And he got out of that situation that he was in, that fitna that he was in. When he got to his house, he took a shower. And that night when he went to sleep, he had a dream, and a voice came to him in his dream and said, "Today you have done something which no one has ever done before you, and for this you will smell nice with this beautiful odor for the rest of this life and the hereafter." And he said, I woke up that morning and I smelt of this beautiful odor, this beautiful fragrance that you smell from me now. And until this day, it has never gone away. And I've never used perfume. So let's take lesson from this. Oh brothers, oh sisters, when we're in situations of fitna and haram, when we're in situations of munkar, and we don't know what to do or where to turn, and sometimes we have a disease in our heart which tells us that we should just stay there because we're having fun, because it's our desires, our illness and evil in our hearts are telling us to stay there. But believe me, Ikhwan, we're going to be held responsible for this. We're going to be held responsible. I'm going to be held responsible for myself, and you're going to be responsible for yourself.